Okay.
Sorry.
So we find ourselves landed out in the woods. It's pouring down with rain.
Yep.
And this is tips for camping in the rain, or I don't know, bushcraft in the rain. It'll have some sort of title like that. We're going to cook up some food and have a blast.
Yay!
Right, so we're just checking. That looks like a big widowmaker, so we're going to get that thing down. It'll also give us loads of firewood.
I've got a new toy.
And Colin's got a new toy. Something I'm really jealous about. Well, it's a silky big boy. Big.
We got ourselves some firewood.
Hey, that was dramatic.
Big cunt's better than a Baco Laplander. There's no arguments there. But it's twice the size. So it just depends on what you want to carry about. But yeah, that's pretty good.
Wants to go.
Yeah, let's go on. Is it going?
Nope. Oh, yep, no it is.
It's going.
Yeah!
Timber. Oh, there we go. We won't get killed by that, and we got firewood.
Fire! Ha ha ha.
Let's get a tarp set up. Right, so you ready to magic the tarp up?
Yes.
There you go for it. How did you do that?
There you go. I'm super magic.
Well, since you put the tarp up, I guess I might as well make the fire.
Hey.
It's a nice through butter, isn't it?
You ever seen Commando?
Yeah.
It's amazing, man. The best baddie I've ever seen in a film.
Bennett.
Bennett! Let off some steam, Bennett! I love it, man. I smell it wood.
Well, I'll put my lips on it to see if it's dry.
Alright.
Because, well, when your hands are soaking, but I don't know actually, it seems like it's a bit on the moist side maybe. We'll see how we get on with the rest of it. That looks drier for some reason. It was standing vertical. I'm quite optimistic. Oh, I just love wood. Right.
That's what she said. There's nobody that video about you putting an axe in your leg yet. I feel like today must be coming. I'm only having fun! I'm only having fun! Yes! Lovely. How you getting on with your bearded axe?
Lovely.
It's nice.
I feel a little bit bad because I bigged up the chopping axe so much and I actually started favouring this one now.
Are you?
Yeah, see, because it's got the weight but it's short, still get a really good swing. It's not as good as chopping, like for chopping wood, it's not as good, but for just general camp stuff, to be honest, I also just like what it is.
It's compact and bushcrafty, isn't it, really?
It's pretty. A lot of bushcraft is just how pretty stuff is.
That's the most important
thing.
thing.
It's a sad truth, nobody wants to say it, but you really want to have pretty axes, don't you?
I feel if we're talking pretty axes, mine wins. Full stop.
I don't know, you need more linseed on your handle. But yeah, yours is pretty. I'm surprised you didn't bring it.
Oh, you. Figured to save it.
Save it for the big video. That would be good.
Plus, realistically, it's bigger than that. Do you know, if you're going to take it away, I'd really get a small forest for being compact and taking it with me. But it's, if you only had one axe, then the wilderness axe is brilliant.
Oh, I thought I was through there. Cut. No, I'm kidding.
Shut up!
Idiot. Well, that didn't split very good, did it?
No, it's because you're trying to get a bit of your splitting. Oh,
Ooh.
that was nice. That was a nice split.
Yeah, this one's better. I might actually just start the fire with that. Right, so you make a bunch of them. Again, this is a trick that I figured out completely by myself. I've never seen anybody do this before. I call it a swamp valley stick. Yeah. What do you reckon? Like, I know they kind of look like feathers, but...
Fake news, mate. Fake news.
Here we go. There's another swamp valley stick.
Paul Cutley, eat your heart out.
Paul who? It's like that Ray Grills guy. That might be enough. I'm going to use a bit of birch bark just to get us going. You could obviously just light the feather sticks. I feel like in these sort of conditions you really want to do everything you can. So, nice dry fire as quickly as possible. Bit of birch bark, and a little secret is if you can get some cramp balls, it acts as a little coal, so if everything dies down that will last a lot longer, and then you can sort of save the fire if it does go out. It's just a little safety net. Right, there we go. Oh. Come on. There it is, it's because I'm using my ferro rod the wrong way around. There we go. And that's how you get a fire going in the rain. I've always been better at doing the blowing job.
You're the one that's been fucking sucking off a tree since we got here.
Just checking the wood.
Aye.
Checking to see how moist it was.
Tree saturation.
Yep, I've done a video about that.
I know. I watched it.
Right, I think it's time we made a wee seat.
Oh, that sounds good.
I wonder if we could snap this.
That would be ideal, wouldn't it? Wait.
Okay,
Ready, steady, drop.
Drop.
Wait. Right. So lift it up and then drop it.
Right.
That does not work.
Yeah, I think you point down faster than I did.
Then we'll lift it, we'll just get up.
Hold on a second, I've got a plan.
Alright, E-man it.
I'm gonna E-man it.
Team! What is it? It says again. I have the power!
By the power of Grayskull.
By the power of Grayskull!
Up the track. Possibly not back.
Let's see. Wait. Oh, does it work? Look at that.
Oh,
Easy. I'm just getting the notch up done.
well, let's try to get them all split so they're not taking up loads of room.
Just have to tiny wee bit. I gotta skip. Oh, right, never get it. Oh, that's flat.
Alright, something like that. Rather lovely, isn't it?
Easy. Done. Fire, friends, rain.
Honestly, some of my most fun camping adventures is when it's totally ridiculous weather. Like, there's a certain comedy value to it that you
Do you
just
remember?
think,
Do you remember when we went to film the old Bushcraft tips in the rain last time? Your camera.
yeah.
That was hilarious, man.
Ah, well, that was kind of. I guess this is a bit of a channel update because I've never really spoken about that on my
so
channel much.
funny.
But yeah, we went out to film tips in the rain. It was bucketing down like this.
It was like gale force winds.
Yeah,
and all that.
howling,
It's horrendous.
horrendous weather. It wasn't that different to what it is now. But yeah, I basically ended up wrecking my microphone and damaging the wee thing under my camera. And it cost me a bit of money. It wrecked all my gear and I didn't get any footage. Like, the footage didn't have any audio.
It was hilarious.
Uh-huh.
I laughed a lot, man.
So I kind of knocked the wind out of my channel for a bit. But we're back. And now I have an umbrella above my camera setup.
It's
So
lovely, man.
yeah, it's hopefully going to work this time. I'll hold it all together. What a dandruff you getting that from? Right, so for cooking today, I'm going to be cooking on my grill. which, yeah, I keep there, and works pretty good. It's basically just a cake cooling rack with some brake cables and a carabiner. The reason there's two carabiners is so I can unhook it and put on a pot. I have mentioned this before in other videos, but you know, you might not have seen them.
It ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah. And it's just so simple, it's so lightweight, and I've been using the same rack for years and it never breaks. So it cost me, I think, £1 from the pound shop. Right, so we got some pork fillet coming, but it's going to take a little while to cook. I reckon a good like hour or two. So we're going to have some chicken just to start us off. Yeah, because we're hungry. We've been out in the woods, been getting firewood. Yeah, so it's already cooked, just needs heated up. And yeah, let's get it on. And that's as easy as that. Just let that heat up, and then we'll get on to the main event.
They look amazing, man.
Yeah.
Oh, just long sun, man. It's 5 at even 2 years. I want the 3.
No. I want the 3.
I want the 3. Don't go there. You want the 3? Are you willing to die for the 3? I'll tell you what.
Bring it!
I challenge you to a duel.
Bring it!
You're going that fire, you're good.
More chicken!
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
Fucking more chicken! More chicken! I was kind of expecting to have to push you, if you know what I mean. Then I literally pushed you a tiny wee bit and you fell.
Oh,
that's why I went you're right. That's accepting it coming.
Right, what we doing? Right, so time for the pork fillet. We're just gonna cook it up on the grill reasonably slowly, and then we're gonna wrap it in bacon, and we're gonna do some baked apples.
Oak and apple, that'll be delicious, man.
Yep, we need to do the apples now actually. Right, so while that's cooking, we're gonna get some pork. We're gonna get some apples, and we're gonna stuff them with raisins and cinnamon, wrap them up in tin foil, and cook them up. I need a chopping block. You know what?
I didn't even bring it with me, I was gonna.
I've never actually decored an apple with a bushcraft knife before. Oh, sorry, a pen knife. But I feel like that's good enough, isn't it?
It's alright.
Right, so you just do that 3 more times.
I suppose
what should I do? Shall I just put the raisins here?
Aye, yeah, more pretty.
And then nobody will know that the raisins came in a raisin bag. These are foraged raisins. What do you think? My manky hands are making this look good. To be fair, it's just
Going in the fire, you'll be fine.
It's just tree goo.
There's that, just fling it, man, like a bomb or something. Done. Stressing you. 10-pin bowling.
Strike! Just put these around the outside here because I don't want them to burn. Yeah, that side got cooked a bit.
Lovely. It's going to be roasted.
Yeah.
Oh, hot, hot, hot.
Looks kind of like a big.
Jelly.
No, I was gonna say like a big
Well,
kind of
it's
weird caterpillar or something. Maybe like a nudibranch.
I put the fat on the top so that when because it'll lose all the water and that'll naturally shrink.
Yeah.
So I deliberately put the top and the bottom so that it would still be coverage. See,
Very nice.
thinking. We'll salt it once some of the water comes out of it.
Yeah.
Salted pork. Salted pork. See, Sean Connery died. Sure, Sean.
I know, that sucks a bit, doesn't it? Oh well. How old was he? 64.
Yeah.
Sorry. Can we burn this?
I think he was 90.
Was he 90?
Alright.
Oh, that's good for
There's the thing about the Billy Connolly thing, like Billy Connolly seen him.
him. No.
She say, Billy, you're a shite for sure eyes.
Alright. I think just burn this away from the...
That's still cold.
I think actually like
Tin
drop
foil.
it right into the flames.
I think honestly tin foil, mate. I think wrap that tin foil and put it in.
Yeah? Right, let's do it. I think.
Stop it. Fine, mate.
Alright there. Oh, you want me to...
You hold that out. Look how straight out you can. Wrap it.
That's a good few layers as well. Right, change of plan. Oh, you just seen.
That was easy.
Yeah, that was easy. Yeah. Right. Cool. Let's get this day. Jank right there.
Yeah, looks good, man.
Oh,
That's,
it's quite. Oh, quite a bit of heat in that. Starting to get squidgy. Right, so if you want to make, right, you can hold it right together. Does it sit? Right, so to make a bit set of tongs, oh, you can see the crack, can't you?
no,
No? Right.
hardly.
Right, so to make a set of tongs, you just rip a piece of wood in half. Yeah. And there you go.
You're not funny.
Did it work? Did it look realistic? You know what, I'm going to keep them actually, they're quite handy.
Yeah, it's not. Really, the idea of that is to get the coffee to drink more.
So
You can drink it all day, every day, every night.
Yeah.
So you're aside.
Well, the hard thing is, see when it's been raining like this, like the river water is too dirty to drink.
Salty.
Yeah, well it's not only that, it's just all the fuel going off.
Right,
hope
we're getting a little bit worried about it. So we're gonna give it a little look-see. It sounds like it's cooking. Sounds like it's gonna burn me. Oh god, that's really, really, really hot.
It smells like.
It smells like it's good.
Doesn't it smell burnt?
Well,
But it does sound hot, man. I'm worried. Oh, it looks black. Oh no. Is it
that's
alright?
just the fat.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
God, man.
I think we pulled that out at the right time. What do you think? Are we
Oh my God, do you smell it?
I smell it. It smells so good. I'm like,
Right, let's put a wee bit more. Let's put some salt on it and put it back in. Just for the, like, because the top's done, but
on
not
the
the bottom.
grill.
No. Like, so,
That's
put a bit of salt in it,
like,
and then,
it's all right.
oh no, so it is. Right, I would salt it a bit, then we'll put it back in the grill. And that'll be it done. Oh, look at that, folks.
I don't think it'll need salt. Bacon never needs salt. It's already
It's
salty.
unsmoked. Alright, okay. Let's, right,
I
okay.
didn't actually bring salt.
Okay. Let's be fair, let's be real here. So actually, it's not that bacon doesn't need salt, it's that he didn't bring salt.
It doesn't need salt. It doesn't need salt. It'll be fine.
Right, so I think if we wrap this up again,
You not got any more tinfoil? Ah, that'll be fine.
cover it up.
Cover it up and put that
Hold on,
bottom down.
I need to remember what size is what. Right, so that's. Ah, it's burning me.
Burning me alive!
Right,
Right, chuck it back in.
Right.
Oh yes,
Chuck it right in the heart.
Oh, heard that?
Yeah, I think that was just a bit of wood.
I wasn't even filming then, I was too busy like buzzing looking at like. I think they must be ready as well.
Oh, they are ready.
Take them out.
Well, I've just sort of got them outside, keep them warm. Well, that one's maybe a bit more than one.
The black one. It's burnt the tinfoil.
Well, that's why I made 4 instead of 2, just in case. But yeah, I think let them cool down because they'll be burny as.
As Burnley's a Burnley thing.
Aye. Kinda just looks like a bit of firewood, doesn't it? A tasty log.
I'm going to learn from the last time. I'm just going to leave it for a wee minute.
We're resting anyway, that's not a bad idea.
Resting. Give me that. Look at that. It's not resting, it's going ballistic.
Yeah, buddy.
Right, so I'll just go for it.
Aye. Oh man, look at that.
Right, let's get it on the plate.
That looks good.
So I'll just. Oh, it's really hot. Ow! Quick hands.
Oh, look. That looks amazing, doesn't it?
Well,
Half it.
No, I want 2/3.
Which I'll just go straight in half.
Aye.
I feel like.
Oh,
Oh, that half's cooked more on that side. We can flip it round. Pretend it's all done the same.
look at the pork's like.
Oh, look, super quick, super quick. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked. Look at that.
Oh, it's so juicy looking as well.
That is perfect.
I don't know, the lights are a bit bright. It's,
Yeah.
oh, it looks amazing, man.
Right, shall I just slice it?
Nah. I'm eating mine like that, man.
You eat them? No.
Caveman style.
Alright, right, hold on. Let me just make 2 plates here. Let's check to see what
Let's
these
check
are
how
like.
these are going to.
Oh no, look at that.
Oh, yay! It's like a soft pink lady.
Soft pink lady, yeah.
They'll be hot too, I would think.
No, I took them out a wee minute ago because they were done a bit earlier. So they're not actually, they're warm but they're not roasted. Oh no, I think I got the short straw here. Oh no, never mind, it's alright. Just a wee bit on one side. That'll be kind of caramelised though. Right, let's go for that swanky close up.
Oh man.
I want to eat, I want to eat, I want to stop cutting and eat. Oh, it's so thick because it's cold out.
That's insane, man.
It's like actual.
Good Scottish weather, ma'am. The rain is falling straight down. Well, it is still cold, to be fair. I'm nippy, man.
Actual solid. It's like toffee. Alright, that's enough looking at this. I gotta eat it. I gotta eat it. Tripod, where are you? It's not fair that you guys can't taste this.
I was worried it was going to be dry, but it's actually so juicy.
It is so. It's so good. It just falls apart.
I've not had a bit of the apple yet. How's the apples?
Yeah, they look good. We've not got the syrup on it, or the toffee, or whatever we want to call it.
It's actually really sweet. It's so nice as well. I was worried with the pink ladies. I thought we might have to have like a cooking apple, but it's
No, pink ladies are the way.
I love it. Getting recipes that watching folk on the telly, and I think, how can I make that in the woods? Like, how could I?
I guess it's a challenge, isn't it? It's once you've figured out that you can boil up water and cook a pot noodle out in the woods, it's like, well, what else can I do? Right, so we just let this burn down and just chill it. Like, I'm quite happy to just chill for a bit. I feel like winter is my time for coming out to the woods. Like summer, it's mad. Like I guess you get also like wrapped up with like doing family stuff, and like, I just get all busy doing other things. And then winter is bushcraft time.
That's true.
I think it's the challenge as well. Like it feels better coming out and doing it when it's
It's the bugs as well, man.
Well, yeah, that's it as well. No bugs. It's
No
a lot
bugs.
nicer.
I mean, ideally, winter with light nights would be perfect, man. We need to go to like Iceland or somewhere that's like.
I don't mind it. Although saying that, it is 5:15.
It's pitch black.
Yeah.
Absolute pitch.
But yeah, I wasn't really planning on filming the whole night, so yeah, I think we'll call it quits. So yeah,
Sounds good, man.
thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Catches.
Bye.
Bye.
Cool.
Bye.